The history of money.
Hey there, friends! Welcome to the series Kidding Around with Cash, where we teach you how to earn, save, grow, and make money work for you. But first, if you spotted our sneaky caveman in the trailer, good job! Because guess what? He's back, and this time he's speaking from his very own cave.
Me trade rock for shiny coin?
Not yet, buddy. First, let's find out how people traded before money even existed. Stick around and subscribe so you don't miss any new episodes. And don't forget to check our website. Link is in the description to see who won the prize. Now get ready. We are traveling back in time. Let's go! Alright, friends, here we are, thousands of years in the past. And check out our buddy from the trailer. He looks hungry and grumpy.
What that shiny thing? Me want shiny.
Whoa, slow down there, buddy. Those aren't for eating yet. Hey, don't worry. We will get you one. But first, we need to see how people bought stuff before money even existed.
Trade rock? Trade fruit?
Exactly. That's called bartering. You give something, you get something.
Me trade pumpkin for banana.
That's right. Bartering was how people got what they needed long before coins or bills existed. Thousands of years ago. Around 6,000 BCE. But watch out! If your friend wants eggs and you have honey,
Honey good.
but your friend wants eggs, not honey, that means...
Me no trade?
Exactly. That's why humans started using special items like shells and stones to make trading easier.
Big stone, big money.
That's true. Some cultures even use giant stones called rice stones in Micronesia. They were shaped like this, with holes in the middle, and used for important gifts. In China, people used cowrie shells, rare and beautiful. And later, metals like gold, silver, and copper became popular because they were durable and easy to shape.
Shiny good. Heavy too.
The first official metal coin was made in Lydia, today's Turkey, around 600 BCE, and it was stamped so people knew how much it was worth. Carrying heavy coins all the time was not fun at all, so people invented something new: paper money.
Paper. No shiny, no heavy.
Yeah, but super light. In the 6th century, a man named Cai Lun in China started making paper from rags and tree bark. Then, during the Song dynasty, people printed jiaozi, the world's first banknotes. Europe didn't trust paper money at first. They thought it had no value. But when banks promised it could be traded for gold and silver, people finally believed.
Bank? Like cave? With guards?
Sort of. Ancient Greece had temples that kept people's treasures safe. The first real bank, the Bank of San Giorgio. It opened in Italy, 1407. Then came the Bank of England in 1694, helping the government build bridges and roads. Later, the First National Bank of the United States started in 1791. And banks spread all over the world. But not all banks were safe. Some failed, and people lost their savings. That's why the U.S. created the FDIC in the 1930s to protect everyone's money. In the 1950s, something amazing appeared. Diners Club invented credit cards, which allowed you to pay for things later. People thought it was a magician's work behind it.
Me give nothing. Get stuff. Caveman confused.
Then, in 1967, the first ATM was invented in London. No more waiting in line. You could get money anytime.
Push button. Get shiny coins.
Today, we don't even need coins or paper. We use digital money, just a tap or a phone scan. But the coolest part, cryptocurrency. It's money that lives completely online. No banks, no coins, no paper.
Invisible money? Caveman no trust air money.
It started in 1991 with something called blockchain. In 1998, Nick Szabo created Bitcoin, the first money that banks and the government did not control. In 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin, the first real cryptocurrency. Fun fact, Satoshi limited the amount of Bitcoins that could be mined. Only 21 million Bitcoin can ever exist, not even one more.
Caveman stick to stone money. Easy to see.
And that, friends, is how humans slowly invented the idea of money.
Me rich now.
Wow, what a journey! From rocks and shells to coins, paper, and even digital money? Well, wait a second. Do you see that? See what? Oh, looks like someone popped into our episode again. Again? An intruder? I think a sneaky little coin joined us today. Kids, did you spot it? If you did, don't tell here. Write in the comments for a chance to win our book. And if you didn't see it, you might want to watch again, because it's going to pop up in the next episode. That's right. We're exploring money around the world next. See you next time, and keep kidding around with cash.
Piggy bank, bank smash, clink, clank, crash. The brothers in a flash.